Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone so voice lock works reliably. First, make sure your microphone and permissions are enabled and battery is above 20%. Once done, update the operating system and install the manufacturer voice lock feature or a trusted app. Now go to Settings, then Security, then Lock Screen, and choose Voice Lock or Voice Match. Follow the on-screen prompt to start the enrollment process. This gets you into the guided recording steps without delay. You'll now train the voice model by recording clear samples. Speak 3 to 6 unique phrases in a quiet space, maintaining the same tone and distance from the mic. This consistency reduces false rejects. Allow the system to run its training cycles and accept any suggested re-recordings for low-quality samples. While training completes, set a fallback PIN or passcode and enable two-factor options if available. This keeps you locked out of risky edge cases and provides you finish by testing unlock in real situations. Try 1 to 3 feet away, different angles, and both soft and normal voice levels to confirm reliability. Then enable any app access and lock screen restrictions you need and store the backup passcode securely. If the phone fails to recognize you, retrain the voice model in a quieter room, reduce background noise, and check microphone permissions. If problems persist, switch to multi-factor unlocking or temporarily use the fallback PIN to avoid being locked out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.